Hi everybody, welcome back to another lesson in my Level 3 Technique and Performance book within the Beginner Piano course for solo learners. In this video, we're going to learn Shadows from River and Rainbow. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so, and if you like what you see, give this video a thumbs up. Also, I offer online piano lessons. If you're looking for them, there's going to be information below. And if you'd like to get the Level 3 Technique and Performance book, links will be below too. Shadows by Carroll is a beautiful lyrical piece from the collection River and Rainbow, which, as the title says, is very kind of magical sounds. And I specifically love this piece, not just for the beautiful sound, but also for the skills that it teaches us about voicing, the use of the pedal in a very cautious, conscious way, and also playing or experimenting with our artistic expressive skills by using tempo as one of our tools. So let's have a look. We are in the key of G major, so every F is going to be F sharp, and the tempo says calm, or dotted quarter note, dotted crotchet equals 6/6, so somewhere around that. Now, if you go slightly faster or slightly slower, that's not a problem at all, as long as you can make it expressive, but around that speed somewhere. We are in compound time, so 6/8, which means we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and every eighth or quaver is going to be 1 count long, and the dotted quarter notes or dotted crotchets are going to be 3 counts long, so very important. And the accent is always on the 1 and the 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are the strong beats. And that's essentially what drives the piece forward, the duple time meter. Now, as you can see, in both hands we have two-part writing, so two voices. In the right hand, at the top, we've got these eighth note broken chords, and at the bottom we have these stepping melody notes which are held, and the left hand has some bass notes and again some stepping notes at the top whilst we hold the bass notes. Let's have a look at the first 8 bars, and we're going to start with the left hand. It's a bit simpler. So we are here, GD, and you can use the fingering in the book as a starting point, but you might want to adjust here and there to something that feels very comfortable to your hand shape. So you can either go 2, 5 and 1, or 1, 2 and then 1, 2, whichever works better for you. I'm going to use 2, 5 here just now. So I'm going to hold down this G at the bottom and go legato between the two notes and then lift and play the next bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's the left hand. So the G stays constant, almost like a river flowing in the background. And the important thing is to move legato between these notes and then lift and down again. And that's about the left hand. Don't push too hard on those Gs. Just concentrate on holding them. Now, the pedaling is going to be easiest to see with the left hand, but I put pedal marks into the sheet music to make it very obvious where to pedal. And in most bars, we're going to pedal twice, when the left at the 1 and at the 4. You can see that there. And in some bars, we're going to hold the pedal throughout, where the bass doesn't change. So pedal down, new pedal, new pedal, new pedal, new pedal, new pedal, new pedal, new pedal. So every 1 and 4, every time the left hand is moving, pedal again. And that's about the pedaling. Now let's see the right hand. So here we start in this G position, B, D, G, and we've got these broken chords, B, D, G, C. And as you can see, the bottom melody is basically doubling the notes of the top, so you don't need to read any extra notes, but those are the ones that we need to accent. Those are the notes that outline the melody. So if you play just the bottom notes, the bottom melody where the note stem is going down, you can really hear the tune. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's the tune. And when we play these broken chords, let's just play it without thinking about voicing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, lift. So that's the notes where the stem goes up, the eighths, quavers, and the dotted note. Now, the two important things to do in this right hand is to hold on to the dotted notes in the bottom and make them stronger than the eighths or quavers at the top. So emphasize it, voice it above the broken chord accompaniment. So first you want to hold it down, and then C, B, holding down, and A. And once you manage to do that, you want to put some emphasis on those bottom notes. So that's the melody you hear. La, 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 la. And that's what you really want to hear when you put it together. So let's play the right hand first 8 bars. This is the technique that applies for the rest of the piece. I just really wanted to explain it before we play the entire right hand. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that was the right hand. When you put it together, the rhythm is the same for the dotted notes, so quite easy, but the sustaining part is what makes it difficult, and the emphasis. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Crescendo. And that was the first section. Let's go on to bar 9. Now let's go on to the next section. We're going to do 4 bars here because then the music changes. So the same pattern here. Left hand goes into C. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right hand starting on E, E, G, C, a C major position, first inversion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, F sharp, D sharp, the last note. So a little bit of modulation here. Hands together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we go to bar 13, where the pattern changes. It becomes simple broken chords, no more voicing, left, right, left, right. Left hand starts G, B, and the first chord we're going to have is an E minor, E, G, B, in the first bar. In the second bar, we have an E minor second inversion, G, B, E, and then we have an A minor chord, A, C, E, and then we have F sharp, A, D, and A, E, A. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, left hand copies. E minor first inversion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. New pedal. A, left hand copies. F sharp and A, E, A. And now we're going to cross over to the C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we go up on these beautiful double notes until we reach C and E with a fermata. So we hold it, we pause on it, and then we take a breath, and we go on to the next 2 bars, which is going to be a G major in second inversion, D, G, B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So a beautiful hand crossing where the last note of the left hand is going to join to the first note of the right hand. So imagine the 2 hands form a unity. 1, 2, 3. This doesn't come up until the right hand goes down and D. And then the left hand crosses over for that D. In the next two bars, we have the same pattern, but this time D, A flat, C, and then we have a slow down and even quieter pianissimo whispering. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then it says a tempo, so back to speed, and the G major comes back. Now the left hand is only going to do this lovely arpeggio, G, D, G, B, with a crossover, 5, 2, 1, 2, and bounce up at the end. So a little roll. And that's going to be repeated 4 times, and the right hand has these double notes. So B, D, 1, 2, 3, lift up the 3, connected to GB, and then EG, lift up the 3, connected to C, 1, 3, and 1, 2. Then you lift up, and E flat, the C minor chord, 1, 2, 3, connect, 1, 2, 3, and BD. Hands together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pedal comes up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. Pedal goes down. Pedal comes up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pedal goes down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the low G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A beautiful ending to this piece. The best thing about this piece is that you can play with the tempo, with the slowdown. You can play with the dynamics, and you can really shape it to your own taste and make it into an amazing performance.